All right. Hello, everyone. It was good hearing and seeing from you yesterday in our discussion. I thought it went a lot smoother than previous ones. So we're going to continue our study on the Cold War. We've been looking at proxy wars and what is happening as nations were either siding with either the United States or the Soviet Union. We're going to look from the third world, we're going to look at another option in this non-aligned movement. Uh, First, a couple of housekeeping announcements. One, you'll be able to redo mini unit 12 today from 8 to noon on Schoology. Also, remember, if you were not a part of the video discussion on Wednesday, yesterday, then you need to complete the written discussion by 3 o'clock on Friday. All right. For today's activity, the academic integrity expectations for all assignments, unless stipulated otherwise by your teacher, your response must be in your own words, not cut and pasted. Even when permitted to collaborate with others, appropriate citations must be used for all information gathered from other sources. For this assignment, the specific expectations are as follows. Uh, it is open resources you can use other assignments from this unit, but not other people. So this is an individual assignment. As such, plagiarism includes having the same work as another student. All right, so what are we going to be looking at in this non-aligned movement activity? All right, so the non-aligned movement. So the first part here is a hypothetical scenario, with your older brother and older sister fighting all the time. Take a moment, write down your answers for these two questions. For this next part here, we have a short video clip. It's about 2.5 minutes. And here's a transcript of the video to help you answer these questions. What did the nations involving the Bandung Conference declare? And identify 4 countries that were involved in the non-aligned movement. All right, on to part 2 here. Why did some countries join the non-aligned movement? Here we're going to be exploring our primary source document written by Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. We met him before when we watched the Gandhi movie. The actor who played him looks a lot like him. I'm going to read over this excerpt of document and then answer these 3 questions. So 5 was, how did Nehru define India's non-aligned movement in 1956? So remember, at this point, India hasn't been independent yet for a decade yet. All right, so newly freed country. 6, based on your speech, why did India choose non-alignment as its foreign policy during the Cold War? This phrase, foreign policy, refers to how a country interacts with other countries. And 7, according to Nehru, what are the advantages to non-alignment for India? So, what good things does it get out of doing that? Hope this helps the assignment make sense. As always, if you have any questions, please email. And till next time, take care.